shooting switches on these bitches, but I ain't talking about a low rider. Draco in my hand, I light a nigga block up like a campfire. He screaming blood gang till he get bit like a vampire. Nigga, I'm R. Kelly pissing on these rappers like a bunch of female juveniles. Boys in the hood, man, I'm feeling like Trey Styles. Oh, he gangsta, barking like a big dog, acting wild. I put his dead body in the hole like a B-rabbit, 8 Mile. Try to step with me and get your ass stepped on like a stepchild. Nigga, your homicide case will meet the X-Files. Now every time your mama wanna talk to her dead son, she gotta talk to the clouds. Potato on the barrel, nigga, like the movie Drumline. It don't make one band, one sound like tree roots. I'll put your ass in the ground. Now playing around and playing foul, nigga, I'll hit your ass with something loud. Nigga, you fucking with us, nigga, the pistol and hit your ass until you scream ow. Fuck your bitch, nigga, till she scream ow. Put them in the cloud and it ain't no more coming down. Nigga, we some retarded niggas going off the short bus. Big dog with long nuts and smoke your ass, nigga, like a new Toy short. The big stick will wet a nigga like swimming torch. Nigga, get money, motherfucker. What you niggas heard about me? Pistol P, Hotboy Red, nigga, HCT, home plug representative. Put him on the table, eat his ass for dinner. Been in the game, long time, no beginner. Oh shit, I'm repenting to the Lord. Lord, I'm a sinner.